Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. It has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 130 horsepower, but also comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as mud, snow and sand. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity and DAB digital radio. We get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control and 17-inch alloy wheels. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.